Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find save reels on Instagram. So here I've already on the Instagram apps, and if you wonder where is the save the reels that you save on Instagram, I'm going to show you. So let's say I want to save this reels, so I'm going to just click on the save button. Okay, it has been saved. And when you want to find the save reels later, you can just go to your profile first, click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, then go to saved. Then here you can easily find the list of reels that you saved. So this one is the one I saved before. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.